Hub assembly with an included ABS sensor. This had a horrible rumble driving down the road and going left to right. To push back, I'm going to remove the caliper bracket. Their socket. And hang it so it doesn't hang off the brake hose. Reverse this. Up out of the way, remove the rotor. Now we're down to the hub bearing with 3 bolts behind that we have to remove. Mushroom the threads. 10mm. Now for the 3 bolts behind the bearing. Metric bolts. If my wife doesn't get in the way. Packed. That's the second bolt. To the right to get to the last bolt. Back here on the rear. And an ABS sensor. Anti-lock brake. And this will be new, so I can cut that off. Now got it to get the hub bearing out. Into the aluminum, so this is going to be a party. Not much room to And there it is. Very rough. Part of the ABS stayed in there, so I have to get that out. There's part of that ABS sensor. There's the other half of the ABS sensor. Start the bolts to hold the plate on, which goes on before the wheel bearing. Hope it stays there. And you have to start the ABS sensor in the same position it came out, so the wiring has to be about the 1 o'clock position. The sensor back into its clip. Making sure the ear's coming through, which I'll need to get a screwdriver if the camera's in the way. It's supposed to come through, but it's not. have to get that. Record now. There's him. Get them all up. A little at a time, excuse me. And torque each a little at a time to get it evenly torqued up. And the brake caliper with caliper bracket. And the big nut. When it's all done, it gets torqued about anywhere from 125 to 200 foot-pound of torque. We'll initially tighten it up with the impact. Still on, final torque it, and torque the wheels, and we're done. I gotta move the bumper. Wheel bearing, when you drive it, makes a god-awful rumble, and the pitch changes going left to right. Hub bearing with a analog brake sensor included.